Oh,
outside.
Smacky, are you gonna go in the snow?
Ready? Come here.
He's probably freezing.
Come here.
Come on, Smacky.
Come here. You got all that fur.
His feet are probably cold.
Of course they are.
Well, now he's getting used to it. Maybe he shouldn't have done this. Now he's gonna get used to being in snow and be like, well, this isn't bad. Come on, Puss. Come on, Smacky, you can do it. You can do it, Puss. Come on. Come on, Smacky.
One nappy cat.
Yeah.